Okay, so you can see this is our personal Facebook account, which is Richard Adeolozi. Now we have only one personal ad account inside. And you can see from this ad account, we have multiple ad accounts in which I can easily switch to any ad account without even need to log into another Facebook account. From here, see. So this is another ad account I'm using for my client. I can still switch back to another account. You can see. Check it out. I can easily manage any of these ad accounts from here. So you want to learn how to get started with this, then no problem. Just come to your Facebook. You know this is your personal net account. Come to the second Facebook. Think about the account that you want to give Richard Adeoloye access to. I mean the personal account. So come to the account, enter Facebook. The first thing is to make sure both of you are friends on Facebook. This is your account, then search for the name Richard Adeoloye. Make sure you send friend request. They are already friends. Make sure you send friend request. Then you come to your second account, accept the friend request. Then they are friends on Facebook. So the next thing is to come to your Facebook personal ad account. Come here and click on settings. This is the ad account setup. Then you scroll down. Here under this add accounts row. Let me try to remove user. Remove. Under this add accounts row, you click on add people. You select the Facebook name of the person you want to give full access to, which is this Richard Adeoloye. You select the name. Then from here, you are going to see three options: add account admin, advertiser, analyst. Advertiser account admin. Then I click on confirm. Automatically, so access has been given. You will receive this. Richard Adeoloye is going to receive mail asking about the access. Automatically it has been given access already, but it's still going to receive mail letting them know if they want to disapprove or if they don't want to have access to the account. You can see it's very simple. So let me know if you have any question.